And here it is. Usually they have the Edge Auto Sports logo and stuff, but they just kind of mailed it in this priority mail, I guess. I don't know. I guess they didn't really care. I'm not too sure. It's like a hand-me-down second, like, I don't know. Well, it's in this bag. I'm not really sure how these things come in packaged, you know, like brand new. So this can be used, or it's like a third-party store. So I'm not really too sure how that works, but let's see what it could be, you guys. I'm excited for it because I'm probably one of the things I use the most on my car. And here it is. Guess what it can be. Maybe you guys already know what it is, but let's take all this packaging off. It's pretty heavy actually. It's probably like 3-4 pounds. Here's the hardware. I don't know if you can see it so good. It's the hardware, pins and stuff. I'm gonna have to go on YouTube and see how you install this. Here's this, probably like a bracket to go on, but here it is. I bought a JBR short shifter. It looks brand new. It doesn't have like king scratches on it, so it's most likely never used, which is a good thing because it's, you know, price is like new. And then I don't know, adjust it here, I guess, for how short you want it right here, I'm guessing. So like I guess this is a shorter one and longer throw. I'm not too sure. I have to look that up. And then this goes up and down. I don't know if you adjust this to like have it shorter or like higher, shorter or higher. I'm not too sure. Maybe, or it works as like to go in reverse. Put it down and then reverse. I'm not too sure. I'm thinking it's just to make it shorter and higher in height when shifting. But yeah, you guys, here's my short shifter. And yeah, I'm so excited to install it, and I'll show you guys how to install it and stuff and go from there. So, peace. There's these little tabs right here. And just gonna pull. I'm pulling it. Should be like a tab right here somewhere. Yeah, there it is. Everything's coming off. So now you just pull, just carefully pull it. There's gonna be tabs right here. 1, 2, 3, 3 tabs, and then that tab. You just carefully pull that. Take this shifter knob off. Take this off. And same thing with this. You'll pull from up here, and then just kind of carefully pull this. I'm gonna take this off. Get more room. Just kind of pull this. Watch out. There'll be some wires. You can take them off or just leave it to the side. I'm just gonna close this. Okay, so I took one off. It was really hard to take off. You just have to put some force without breaking it. I'm kind of scared with this one because I have to put a lot of force on this to take it off. But then there's this plastic piece right here that could essentially break. So just kind of finesse it. Okay, so now I took both of them off. So now this can just wiggle freely. Took off the sensor. Now we're going to take these 4 bolts off. Take off the whole assembly. Okay, took off the assembly. You'll take, like, after you take these, you'll take this off the assembly. Right there, and then you just take these wires that are connected to it, take them off, and that's it. Now we'll take the assembly and take this little piece right here. It's gonna have this, and it's gonna be connected like that. There's gonna be all these tabs that you're gonna have to slowly take off one by one. I already broke one, so then you're just gonna pull it, and then after you pull that off, you pull this off like that. After that's off, we're gonna have to take off this white piece and then the spring. The spring is easy to take off, but putting it back on is the hardest part. So those are the steps. First, you're gonna take this clip off that connects to this. Take that off, take this cap off, and then take the spring. That's everything that's disassembled from here. Now we have all this wiggle room. And now the hardest part is taking off all these clips. I believe there's 3 clips. And people say use paper clips because you're gonna have to jam something in there on all 3 of them to get this one piece out. Took the short shifter out. There's gonna be 3 pins. One right here, one right here, one right here. This one's the easiest. These 2 are a little harder because you have to like pull them, you have to pry them out. And I used bobby pins. I pried out the tab, put a bobby pin right there, and right there. After you put all 3 bobby pins and have the tabs like out from these small little sockets, you just pull up and then it comes off. Everything's done. Now I just need to take this off and put it on the other one, and we'll start doing the hard part. And here you go. Here's the stock one. Here's the JBR. You're gonna want to lube it up everywhere around the ball, like this one. Lube it up everywhere. And then now we're gonna put everything back together. So now you're gonna put this plastic piece back on that came from there. Put that back on like this. Then we're gonna put it like that and put this connected back on. Now here it is. Got the short shifter in here. Now time to do the hardest part, which is putting that spring back right there. So now let's do that. It was a little bit hard, but got that spring back. So now we're gonna get this thing. Don't touch the inside because it's like has like some lube on it. So put that back. And now after all that's back on, time to put this back on. I'm sure this goes like this. And I think the shifter goes in there. Okay, and got everything back. So you can put this down and then you push it forward, which push this is back and puts it in reverse. That's what that spring is for. So let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's put it. Okay, so I had to take everything off, and I literally had to take everything back off and take the shifter off because I forgot this one piece right here. This makes it where it like stops it. It's pretty much just like a frame to stop all this so it doesn't go, you know, put it down and then it goes to reverse down here and then locks it in and then it comes out. So don't forget that. It's one T25 screw right here, and then you just screw this in through there. So how to do all that. So now let's plug everything back in and adjust it and see how it looks. Okay, so I feel like I got it adjusted enough, so putting everything back on, which is pretty easy. Just pretty much just literally pop everything back into place. I like taking this out like that. Just kind of, there you go. Pop everything into place. And now get my shifter. Pop this right on there. I don't know. Does it look shorter? It probably, yeah, I'm pretty sure just because of this thing right here. It's like getting all scrunched up. I even have the short shift plate on, so the shorts are even shorter, but I might take it off. I don't know. I'm still gonna play with it a little bit. It's hitting something. Might have to trim something in here because, yeah, something's not right. So I'm gonna just take this off for now and just keep it. Okay, I was putting everything back, but it was like this part was hitting this, so pretty much came back here and trimmed this plastic piece off right here. I don't know if you can see it. And there you guys go. Dude, I'm really liking this short throw. I'm struggling on first and second. Not like, well, it doesn't jam or anything, it goes in quick, but I'm just not used to short, like really short throws. But dude, it's a lot better by a lot. My car feels faster just because I don't have to, I don't know, I guess throw first and second like longer, so it feels like my car engages way quicker, almost faster, you know. So like first, second, third, fourth, and then you see like fifth and then sixth. I just have to get used to it. The only bad thing I would say, it's not really a bad thing, is that when you put it in reverse like that, like you'll jam your fingers right here on the edging. It'll jam your fingers a bit, so I just have to be careful and just do that when I go in reverse. But other than that, it's good. Take it out, put it in first. There it is. Look left, look right. And second. And then third. And then fourth. Like, dude, those shifts are so short. I love it. Well, I forgot to close out the video, so I'm closing it out. Just a few little updates is that I'm getting another modification, is exterior mod now, which it might be cool, it might be whack. I'm testing pretty much and doing a review on it because there's no reviews at all, and all the reviews I've seen are like, they say it's like at 1 star or 5 stars. There's none in between. So I'll show you, like, I'll try and give you like a review or something about it. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do on that video, but I'll show you how to install them. It's real easy, and see if they're a good purchase, bad purchase, and just letting you guys know. Another update is that me and my friends we're getting together with all our friends and making a race crew. And so we're talking to a shop, and we're gonna talk on Friday night. We're gonna talk about promotions, sponsoring, and like making shirts made for our team and stuff. I'm not sure if it's legit. I have my doubts, but hey, if the possibility of like getting like money to build my car, or at least even help from knowledgeable mechanics and people that have done like crazy builds to give me the knowledge on what I should do to my car, or help me in any sort of way, would benefit me greatly. And the opportunity is there, I'm gonna take it, because you never know when the opportunity is gonna come and go, and you're just gonna regret it your whole life or whatever. So I'm gonna take the opportunity to go to the shop, get everyone together and meet up and see if it goes good or not. And so yeah, that's just a little update I wanted to give for you guys. Till next time, peace.